The Reese Library website is your portal for using all of the resources available to you from the library. To access the library's website, go to augusta.edu/Reese, and you'll see this page. Let's first look at the far right column. Here, you can find information about how to contact us, book a study room in the library, pay a fine for overdue materials, give us feedback about your experience with the library, find our Facebook, Instagram, blog, and YouTube channel, and finally, you can chat with a librarian when you need help using our services. Perhaps the most important part of the library's website is this middle box, which is the primary way to access all of our materials. This search box will search Galileo Discover, which searches for books, journal articles, reference materials, videos, and much more. Searching here will return a lot of results and can be a good place to start, but can also be overwhelming. Watch our other videos on database searching to learn more about how to search in databases. At the bottom here, there are links for Galileo, which is the same resource the above box searches, our catalog, GilFind, which is where you can search for books here and at other University System of Georgia institutions, individual databases such as Academic Search Complete and JSTOR, individual journals, and finally, our research guides, which can help you learn more about a variety of topics. The website also has other information that can help you be successful in the library and in your classes. To learn more, ask a librarian or explore for yourself. To contact us, use the chat window, email reference@augusta.edu, or drop by the information desk on the first floor.